The theme that we are taking up for discussion today is the different kinds of ecosystems. Now, without much delay, let's go into the first question, which was asked in 2023. Question reads as, the soil in tropical rainforests is rich in nutrients. The second statement reads as, the high temperature and moisture of tropical rainforest cause dead organic matter in the soil to decompose quickly. See, now this is a very common misconception in the mind of students that when I'm saying tropical rainforest, okay, there is so much of water over there, there's so much of organic matter, so the soil will be very fertile and very rich in nutrients, but that is wrong. Why? Because when it comes to a tropical rainforest, what generally happens is because there's constant rainfall throughout the day, this soil with all its nutrients, it gets washed away. So when I'm looking at the soil is not rich in any nutrients because all the nutrients in the soil have now gotten washed away. So that statement 1 is clearly wrong. So let's start off from there itself. Now if you look at the options, they say statement 1 and 2 are correct, statement 1 and 2 are correct, statement 1 is correct, statement 1 is incorrect. So now there is only one option where statement 1 is incorrect, that is D option. Let's keep it on hold. Let's read the second statement again to confirm. The high temperature and moisture of tropical rainforest cause the dead organic matter in the soil to decompose quickly. Yes, that is a true fact because for decomposition to happen in a quick manner, two conditions are primarily important. The temperature should be very optimal and your rainfall, that is your water content, should also be there. In a tropical rainforest, there is no scarcity for these both things. So, the decomposition rate happens quickly. So, here, the statement is correct. The statement is wrong. The answer for this question is D. Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Next, we have a 2022 question, which was considered to be, again, a controversial question with multiple answers. So, the question reads as, if rainforest and tropical forests are the lungs of the earth, then surely wetlands function as its kidneys. Which one of the following functions of wetlands best reflects the above statement? So, they are saying if tropical rainforest and rainforest are lungs, what is the function of the lungs? The lungs takes in oxygen, which is needed for the activities of the body, and gives out carbon dioxide. Basically, it helps the plant to grow. Now, they are here saying that the rainforests are the lungs of the earth. Why is it called as the lungs of the earth? Because they are taking in, this is your normal respiration, okay? And in the case of the lungs. But essentially, what are they doing? Respiration activity. Now, here, the rainforests are called the lungs of the earth because why? They take in all the carbon dioxide that is needed, gives out oxygen. The oxygen is used by the other organisms that are there in the earth. Okay. Now, they're saying that wetlands is its kidneys. What does the kidney do? Kidney purifies the waste that is there in your body. So, in your body throughout the day, lots of amounts of different kinds of waste gets produced. It gets mixed with water. The water passes through the nephrons of the kidney. There what happens? The water gets separated and the impurities get separated and the impurities are then kicked out of your body. Out of all the 4 options over here, let's read the options. The first one says the water cycle in wetlands involves surface runoff, subsoil percolation and evaporation. Yes, this is a correct statement, but is this the answer to this one? They are asking why is it called as the kidneys? Second statement reads, algae form the nutrient base upon which fish, crustaceans, mollusks, birds, reptiles and mammals thrive. It's a very broad statement, like it's how is it related to this is not very clear. Third statement reads as, wetlands play a vital role in maintaining sedimentation balance and soil stabilization. This is also a correct thing. Let's read the fourth one and then have a comparison. The fourth one says, the aquatic plants absorb the heavy metals and excess nutrients. When you compare C and D, one thing that you can say, and again I'm saying A is also correct, C is also correct in the sense that they are all functions of the wetland. But the question reads, which one of the following of the function of the wetland, or which one of the following functions of wetlands best reflect the kidney function? And the kidney function is reflected in the last one, where they are saying they absorb all the heavy metals and excess nutrients and leave out whatever is not required. So they basically help in like some kind of an excretion process. The answer to this 2022 question is D. Finally, going to the last question, which is a 2022 question. The 2022 question is primarily, it's related to a current affair. The Biorock technology is talked about in which one of the following situations? Restoration of damaged coral reefs, development of building materials using plant residues, identification of areas for exploration and extraction of shale gas, providing salt licks for wild animals in forests or protected areas. Again, Biorock. Okay, so think on those lines also. It's something for the growth of something biological. Okay, when it comes to this Biorock technology, I want you to understand this primarily related to your restoration of damaged coral reefs. So what basically happens over here is, in areas where the coral reef is damaged, you are creating certain conditions for the growth of that coral again. What is the condition that you're doing? You are using a process called as electrolysis, and you conduct the electrolysis of your water that is available, the salt water. From that you extract certain minerals called as calcium and carbon and everything, and you create a calcium carbonate base. This calcium carbonate base becomes the area from where the corals can grow easily. So what happened is, previously even that base was gone. So here, using this Biorock technology, you're creating the base areas on which your corals can come and grow further. So the answer to this question is